Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Mi Extender model and that the router broadcasts a 4 GHz SSID. The Mi setup requires 4 GHz. Once powered, plug the extender into a wall outlet midway to the dead zone and wait for the power LED to stabilize. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the router, then open the Mi Home app. If the LED is blinking, press Reset and hold for 5 seconds to prepare pairing. You're ready to add the device. You now configure the extender in the Mi Home app. Tap the plus icon, choose your extender model, and follow instructions to temporarily join the extender's AP from your phone. This bridges the setup. Enter your router's 4 GHz SSID and password exactly because the extender clones that network. Once you submit, the app shows progress. The extender will reboot to apply settings. Make sure your phone stays near the extender so the pairing doesn't time out. Signal handoff is critical here. You finish by testing connectivity in the intended area and moving the extender a few feet to optimize throughput. Small shifts often improve results. If devices don't see the extended SSID, reset the extender and redo the Mi Home pairing, making sure to manually join the extender AP when prompted. Once connected, check Mi Home for firmware updates. Update immediately if you see stability issues. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent drops continue, reduce channel interference by changing router channel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.